As an assessor, please perform the following steps. Log in to Crew Overview and then go to Assessor. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that the candidate has the required practical training. In this case, the instructor has signed off and you can continue with the assessment. The next step will be to set a date. That you can do by choosing the candidate or make a general assessment. You define the location, the start and the end date. The candidate will receive an email on the scheduled time and is therefore able to reserve the slot. Once you have done this, you are able to perform the assessment. For that, you have two options. Option 1 is a global assessment, and option 2 is a detailed assessment based on observable behavior. If you go to Sign Off Assessor, you can see here it's possible to just sign off the whole assessment. The other option is to go to User Assessment. Then you choose the candidate you want to assess, and then you go to the specific role. The assessment will be different. Go to Action, and then you can actually use the sliders to confirm that the candidate has done the respective parts. Finally, go back and check if all the sign-offs are done and everything is green. In Actions, you find the details. So here the practical assessment is done.